What's happening, crypto fam? Happy Thursday. Good morning and welcome back to Love for Crypto. I'm Scott. It's a pleasure to have you here. I appreciate you taking the time out to consume the content, so thank you. This morning I want to have a little chin wag about the Hammered Dragon Winery, baby. The Hammered Dragon Winery. You heard right. It is an NFT based project of a smart dragon with a chatbot artificial intelligence that enables staking, breeding, and a massive multiplayer online role-playing game, or an MMORPG, as they're known in the space. It's extremely exciting, this, for me, personally, because, well, one, I love dragons, and two, I love any, and I mean any type of AI or machine learning. I'm all for. Now, again, this is a chatbot. It's probably just going to be a simple behavioral tree sequence chatbot to start with. I'm extremely interested in how they do it, how they do the breeding. But what we're going to do, we're going to take a cheeky little look at the website. So I'm just going to flip my phone like I did on that video the other day. I will very soon be doing a proper video on it on the PC, screen recorded and whatnot. So, HDW Hammered Dragon Winery, right? You can gather on a weekly Wine Wednesday to drink, chill, and game. So in the Discord, there's like the general chat, wine talk, game talk, the VIP chat and whatnot. How to get in, all information you can need. There's competitions, there's giveaways. So, it's rare that NFT comes with an AI system. The dragons will be able to chat with their owners, starting from English, then to multiple languages as the system gets updated. Imagine how cool that is, to not only be a dragon master, but also a mascot who could hang out with his or her dragons. So again, it says there straight away, they're going to update the language as it goes along, putting different languages into the AI interface. So it goes without saying that it will get more intelligent. I mean, is Alexa and Google Home as intelligent today as they was when they come out? No. They're 10, 20, 50, if not 100 times more intelligent than they were when they came out. They can answer questions, unprecedented rates, get on the internet and whatnot. So we can expect a rather basic, drunken chatbot at first, to be honest. So any little glitch or any little mistake that actually happens within the chat or bugs, you could just be like, oh, my dragon's just pissed up. It's just hammered. My dragon's hammered. He don't even know what he's saying. So there's a little bit of play there for bugs, mistakes, and glitches. There's an example on the website. If you go and check it out, the link will be in the description. So they also feel that there's few NFT communities that feature NFT integrated online games. Each dragon will have its own properties, attributes in the future games. This means that your dragon is not only good for its looking, but it also helps you win your game. And in case your API, increase your API crypto mining as our plans get fully realized. That's a little spoiler. It's a little spoiler for the long-term plans there regarding some form of mining. Therefore, the dragon brings real value to you as the dragon master. So far, we've seen people doing much on that. We haven't seen people doing much on that, which is a pity. And then we come to the roadmap. There is actually the video chat. So there's a video example and the roadmap. We're gonna have a proper gander at the website, so we might as well just get it up. Yeah. Right, so here is the website. Look at that Superman dragon there. Oh my days, I want him with his halo. Soups with his halo. So if we lose a bit of focus here, apologies. The link will be in the description if you want to go and check it out. You can see my MetaMask wallet in the top corner is connected. And if we click one of these, it'll just throw us down to it. So let's go back up for the start. Read the first 2 paragraphs on the phone, basically. It was then going to tell us that there's 10,000 unique Hammer Dragon NFTs. Unique digital collectibles living on the blockchain. There's loads of stuff coming in now, including group PvP mini games in progress. Let me go down to the roadmap. There is a chat. There's the little chat bot example. So basically, the Hammer Dragon having a little chat with someone on there. Reserve your dragons with your MetaMask loaded. Just gonna click reserve and buy now, and it'll sort you out as if you used to MetaMask. Shouldn't be too difficult. If the screen does freeze on a buying NFT, just nip to another one and have a little ganders, and then you'll see there's mine. There's my transaction for the 2 dragons. Back to the website. So they're doing a fair mint and distribution. I think they're looking at it taking roughly a week. The dragons will be revealed either when they sell out or after the first week. They've got giveaways and all sorts. But basically what I do, I want to get down here and just highlight this little bit here. Now I understand that you can't really read it very well because it's dog. I've got you on a dog view. But we're zoomed in a little bit there. The breeding program. I'm super interested about a breeding program. Let your dragons give birth to baby dragons. The hint is already in the banner. Like, what? What hint's in the banner? Me, watch. There's a proper dragon party there. Superman. What's a little baba? The little pram or pushchair for the Americanos. There we go. Hey, dragon eggs, mates. You're gonna be able to breed. I don't know whether you'll burn the parents in breeding a baby one or what. I don't really know what's going to happen there. Yeah, it's super exciting. It's interesting. We've got breeding. We've got staking program. Stake your NFT to gain rewards. Okay, thanks. Cheers. Yeah, well, why not? An MMORPG, massive multiplayer online roleplay game. For anyone who doesn't understand what that means, is basically an online game that's massive. It's multiplayer, it's online, it's role-playing, and it's a game. So that's our real punch. Can't leak details for now, but it's an essential part of the HDW metaverse. Super interesting and exciting. They will also be releasing a second NFT series, which is great if you don't manage to get what you quite want in the first one. God knows what these are going to be worth in the future. What you need to have to do with a lot of these NFTs is pick one that you're interested in, that actually intrigues you, and that you feel like you're going to want to progress with or invest in. Because if you lose a little bit of money on something you thought was shit, it's going to piss you off. Lose a little bit of money on something that you thought was really good and had potential, it's not going to annoy you as much. Right? It just isn't. And I'm telling you, this is the start of what will be ridiculously common very soon. So, we've spoken in the past about people having augmented reality pets, about people having assets that legitimately follow them about, that you can speak to. We've spoken about Google Assistant actually becoming an augmented person. You know, like imagine a Google Assistant NFT that's a flaming person. Do you know? Do you understand? Like, the implications of that alone could end up with Arnold Schwarzenegger ones. Like, anyone you wanted to be. You want your Google Assistant to look like Dwayne The Rock Johnson and sound like Dwayne The Rock Johnson. Then I bet Dwayne's will end up doing a deal that'll make that possible. Like, people have like Stephen Hawking on your sat nav. Do you know what I mean? Like, realize that that's going to go VR, augmented mixed reality, very, very soon. I see these dragons being the kind of asset that can progress with that naturally, starting off as literally just as a chatbot AI, and then moving on and ending up like a legitimate 3D augmented Alexa. I mean, that's got to be the end game in most people's minds when you talk about an artificial intelligence that you can talk to. Most people don't look above Alexa and Google for that at the moment, and why would they? Because there's not many up above them. Now, I could waffle shit about this project all day, but there's actually no point. You might as well just go and have a look for yourself. So I'm going to leave the link to the website, the OpenSea collection, and the Discord in the description, and I highly recommend you go and have a gander. I'm not telling you to go and buy dragons. I'm telling you to go and have a look at them and see if you're interested in it. And if you are, maybe have a chat with yourself and see if you want to buy some flaming dragons, because they look sick, mate. But yeah, this is the NFT drops are coming thick and fast now, and this is one of the ones that caught my eye. So I figured I'd share a video on it. Yeah, it won't be the last one we cover. It won't be the last time I cover this. Like I say, when it progresses a little bit more, we'll do a proper video, screenshot on a PC properly through OBS. Just doing it on my phone and laptop for now. But I just want to raise a little awareness to the projects that are out there, because a hell of a lot are selling out extremely quick, and it's hard to get into some of them. So it's nice when one just steps back and's like, look, we're doing a fair distribution. We're gonna take our time. And bear in mind, it doesn't matter how much they want to do that. If 5,000 people go to the page now and go to buy 2 each, there's not enough left. So there's not that much. There's only so much attention you can get till it's actually your first wave sold out. But there will be more series. There will be secondary markets where people sell the asset on because they've bought it to make a profit. There'll be a secondary market where people are selling the assets that they've breeded through the ones they've got. That's why I bought 2. I didn't know whether I need 2 to breed. I thought, I don't want to end up with just fucking 1, and then I can't breed it, or I need someone else to breed it. So I bought 2 in the hope that I can breed them both. But again, we don't really understand how it's going to happen yet. We're waiting on updates and stuff. So let me know what you think in the comments. I think it's sick, me. Hammered dragons, wine, and gaming. Where can you go wrong? Sick. On that note, go and have a look at it. See if you want to invest in it. Do make sure you invest in yourself and the internet of value. Live long and hodl it. Get it staked, get it baked. Feed the beast till it feeds you. And yeah, you know the dance. Wishing health and happiness to you and yours. We love crypto. We love Hammer Dragon Winery. And we love you. So take care of yourself. And I'll see you on the next one.